Hey everyone, this is Max from Unsubscribed Healthcare, and today we're going to be going over the hidden sheets. To look at these, you would click on View, Hidden Sheets, and then you can see here, as we hover over them, we'll be able to open them up. We're going to start with BE. The purpose of BE is used for calculations, highlights, and overall program functionality. If you touch any of this, it can mess up the functionality of the program. You can see each one is put away into different sections. Some of these sections aren't used anymore because we moved them to different workbooks. But overall, this is where a lot of those calculations and stuff take place in order for the program to function properly. So make sure that you don't mess with this page. It's a page that's supposed to remain hidden and not be messed with. So click Hide Sheet. The next one we are going to look at is CH Save Data. This is used specifically to save the patient profile. So when you have a patient information and data and you click on Save, it takes that information and places it into this tab. You could edit it in here if you'd like, but also when you go into the clearinghouse and you update all the information here and then you click Save again, it will overwrite this row with the patient's name and ID. To hide it, right-click, click Hide Sheet. The next one that we can look at is the CMS 1500. So this is an exact copy of the CMS 1500, and this is what is printed with no grid when you go to print something. If you notice for whatever reason that it is not printing correctly, then you would be able to change it here. But again, this really shouldn't be touched because out of everybody who's bought it, there's been no issues with it printing properly onto the pre-made forms. To hide it, right-click, click on Hide Sheet. And the last one is for the CMS Color. This is how all the information is put onto a Google slide. So it takes all of these placeholders and puts it onto the Google slide for the CMS Color template and replaces them with these values here. Again, shouldn't be touched. It works as is. And that concludes the use of the data center. Next, we will be going over how to use the shortcuts workbook.